I took a deposition of an individual that works for one of the major universities in Texas in an F5 appeal. And I noticed an alarming trend. So let's talk about what an F5 is. It's a report that law enforcement employers would send on to TCOLE, to the state licensing board, so that they can indicate if an individual police officer had left on bad terms. They give them a dishonorable discharge or general discharge or a honorable discharge. Anything general or dishonorable is bad. But the one trend that I see with these F5s is that the individuals that signs off on the F5 doesn't know anything about the termination and doesn't have any knowledge of the reasons why they're giving this police officer a negative F5. So when I represent police officers on appealing a negative F5, I often take the deposition of the individuals that signed off on the F5. And I ask them normally why they gave my police officer a dishonorable discharge or general discharge. And the reason why I do that is that when they're signing off on it, they're acknowledging that they are the chief administrator of that police agency, and they're attesting, but they're confirming the accuracy of the explanation of why that individual was separated under unfavorable terms. Now, when I deposed this individual, she basically didn't know anything. She signed it, but it came in as an email, and it says, "Hey, sign off on this F5, separate this individual," but it doesn't explain why. So a lot of these agencies are signing off on F5s, and they're ruining people's police career, law enforcement career, without knowing firsthand on why that individual deserves a dishonorable or a general discharge. So I think that when it comes to law enforcement, police officers have to follow the rules, but so do the employers. Okay, back to work.